Dear students, welcome once again to Army Public School Piyame Kaku Resource Network. Before we start our subject maths, please subscribe this channel and press on bell icon. I am Sartasha Khan and today we will discuss the homework of week 9. In this week, we will continue the previous topic and the name of the topic is multiplication table of 2, 5 and 10. And the subtopics which we will discuss are multiplication table of 5, multiplication table of 10 and word problems. After watching this video, you will be able to build up the multiplication table of 5 and 10. You can multiply a number by 5 and 10 and you can solve the word problems involving multiplication. Let's have a recap of this topic. What is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition of number. For example, if you have to add any number many times, instead of adding again and again, we will multiply the number. Here is example. Suppose you have to add the 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 which is equal to 20, means adding 4 groups of 5. We will use the multiplication. 4 groups of 5 means 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s are 20. Multiply 4 groups. Students, different group of butterflies are given as you can see on a screen and you have to find the total number of butterflies. In each group we have 5 butterflies. First we have one group of 5 butterflies. One group of 5 means 1 multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5. So we have 5 butterflies in one group. Then we have 2 groups and in each group we have 5 butterflies. Instead of adding again and again, we will multiply the number of group with the number of things in each group. There are 2 groups and each group have 5 butterflies. So we can say there are 2 groups of 5. 2 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10. Next we have 3 groups of 5s. How many butterflies are there? 3 groups of 5s means 3 multiplied by 5. Read the table of 5. 5 3s are 15. We have 15 butterflies. For the multiplication by 5, you have to learn the table of 5. It is very much easy and you can see on a screen the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. You have to learn this table. Now I will explain the multiplying by the counting in 5s with the help of example. As you can see, there are 3 groups. There are 3 groups of apples. And how many apples in each group? 5. Now you have to find the total apples. For this, first you have to count the number of groups, which are 3, and then the number of things in each group. They are 5. So we have 3 groups of 5 and we can write it 3 multiplied by 5, which is 15. There are 15 apples. Here is another example of counting in fives. There are 4 groups of fives and each group have 5 marbles. How many marbles are there? So we will multiply 4 by 5 and 4 fives are 20. You have to multiply the number of groups with the number of things in each group. Now we will discuss the subtopic multiplying by 10. Multiplying by 10 is same as we have discussed the multiplying by 5. But yes, you just have to learn the table of 10. The table of 10 is very much easy and you can see on a screen 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 tens are 100. It is very much easy as you seen. You just have to learn this table for the multiplication of 10. Students, now I will explain the multiplication by 10 with the help of example. Now again there are different groups are given. Count the number of groups. How many groups are there? There are 6 groups. And how many things in each group? There are 10 things in each group. Now you have to find the total things in 6 groups. So instead of counting again and again, we will multiply the 6 groups of 10. 6 groups of 10s means 6 multiplied by 10 and 6 tens are 60. So we have 60 smileys. There is another example. There are 2 groups and each group have 10 apples. So we have 2 groups of 10s. 2 groups of 10s means 2 multiplied by 10. Read the table of 10. 2 tens are 20. So we have 20 apples. The last subtopic is word problems involving multiplication. It is same as you have done in addition and subtraction. You have to follow the 5 steps for solving word problem. Let's have a recap of those steps. Number 1 is read the problem carefully. Number 2 is circle or underline the numbers. Number 3 is do the working. Number 4 is write the statement. And number 5 is recheck your working. Students, as you have learned some clue words for the words problem of addition and subtraction, there are also some clue words for the multiplication. They are times, each, in all, twice, product, fact, area, multiple and multiplied by. The most common words which are used at your level are times, each and in all. Now I will explain this with the help of word example. Each bicycle has 2 wheels. How many wheels do 8 bicycles have in all? Each bicycle has 2 wheels means one bicycle have 2 wheels and you have to find the wheels in 8 bicycles. You have to underline the numbers. By underline the numbers and the clue word in all, we can understand that we have to multiply these two numbers. Then do the working. 2 multiplied by 8. Read the table of 2 up to 8. 2 8s are 16. Write the statement. 8 bicycles has 16 wheels. And the last step is recheck your working, means you have to read the table again Is it correct or not correct? Students, before going any written work, you have to remember the following points. Learn the table of 5 and 10. Multiply the number of groups by the number of things in each group, and follow the steps for solving word problem. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you. Dear students, this is your homework. This is the dodging table of 5 and 10. You have to do the practice of dodging table of 5 and 10. You will do this practice on a loose sheet and it will be help you in your remaining homework.